We are actually alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm so excited, man. I can't wait. I am basically, well, what's gonna happen today is I'm picking up the car finally from getting the windshield replaced, guys. Yes, that is correct. We got a new windshield on the car. I'm really excited to be picking up the car today, so join me along for the ride. We are actually, so we're here at the location. All right guys, so we're here. We got the gt500 front bumper on the car, and thanks to HCD Auto Body. And come check them out. They're here local, here in Harlingen. I'll leave the description down below and their information. But look at that, that looks crazy. The car just like changed completely, as well as we replaced the windshields like I promised you guys we're gonna do. So let's start it up. It's looking crazy. Now we just need to I need to do a little fixing on that other side, but it's just a light. It is so packed, guys, in the car, and we just got this. It looks phenomenal, guys. From the front it just looks like a complete different car, and I understand why the people with the GT500s, I mean, the car is very eye-catching. We are going to get some video and some other stuff included, pics and all that good stuff, photo shoots pretty soon here. Just not today because I have a family thing, so definitely though stay on the lookout. We finally got the car back. That means the giveaway will be pretty soon here, and yeah, so let's get to it, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and again, thank you for everything, guys. See you on the next one.